Hey, what's going on everybody? It's David here with Play Creatively, and if you are new to the piano, this lesson is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how do you play all of your favorite worship songs in less than 4 minutes. That's right, we're going to learn how to play the piano in less than 4 minutes. Let's get right to the lesson, all right? So, as you can see on the piano is divided up between black notes and white notes. Black keys, white keys, okay? So, the first 2 black keys I like to think of as snake eyes, and the second 3 black keys I like to think of as the 3 musketeers. So we have snake eyes, 2 snake eyes, 3 musketeers, 2 snake eyes, 3 musketeers, 2 snake eyes, 3 musketeers. All right. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come down to the first snake eye, right? And we're going to just come down what's called 1/2 step. All right. So we're going to move down to the next note below it, right? That's called a C. Now I'm going to teach you how to play the C major chord, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to play C, and then we're going to play a note, skip a note, play a note, skip a note, play a note, okay? Now you have just played a C major chord. Now we're going to go ahead and play a G. To do that, you're going to notice that your pinky, all right, my pinky here is on G. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put my thumb there. Now we're going to do the same process. We're going to play a note, skip a note, play a note, skip a note, play a note, all right? Now we've just played a G major chord, all right? Now we're going to play an A minor chord, all right? So we're going to take that same G, okay, and we're just going to bring it up 1 whole step, all right? So here's another concept in music for you. We're going to go up 1/2 step to this note right here, and then 1/2 step down here. 2 half steps make a whole step. That's a crucial concept in music, all right? So now we're on this A note. Now we're going to play an A minor chord. We're going to do the same process. We're going to play a note, skip a note, play a note, skip a note, play a note, all right? Now we're playing A minor, 1 more chord for you to go, okay? So we're going to learn how to play an F. We're going to bring this A down 2 whole steps. 1, 2, okay? And that brings us down to F. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to play a note, skip a note, play a note, skip a note, play a note. All right. Now that brings us to an F major chord. Awesome. So you've learned about black keys, white keys. You've learned about how to play chords. Now we're going to go ahead and play some songs. Now this is the fun part. Okay. So these same chords arranged in different order is called progressions, and different progressions are what make up Christian contemporary music, all right? So we're going to just change the order of these same chords to play our favorite songs. Let's start off with How Great Is Our God. How great is our God. Sing with me, how great is our God. And all will see how great is our God. The next song, What a Beautiful Name. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. And then we have the final song, You Call My Name, and I ran out of that grave. C major here. Out of the darkness into your glorious day. All right, guys, so you learned the piano in 4 minutes. Now, clearly, all right, we're not learning anything complex here. However, you may want to add a little bit more creativity to your playing. Something more like this for, let's say, How Great Is Our God. How great is our God. Sing with me. Or for What a Beautiful Name, what a beautiful name it is, what a beautiful name it is, the name of Jesus Christ, my King. All right, so if you want to learn the piano in a step-by-step process, go ahead and check out actually a free course that I have for you in the links above me. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.